Hi everybody, this is question 10, linear equation. If I am checking the calculator icon, I can use calculator for this question. This is another calculator question. So I have a very interesting word story part here. So because there are some Latin words here. So and then I have a graph here. It looks like very hard graph for me as a student. So we are gonna try to answer the question. So let's get started. Let's start to read the question. The scatter plot, this is called scatter plot because of these dots. Above shows, actually it's on the left side, shows data collected on the length and width of iris setosa petals. I don't know. So some of the students they don't know the name of the meaning of the words, you don't you don't need to be down because you don't need to understand everything. So it's about the iris petals, so not a big deal. Important thing in here is length. Length here is in millimeter, and then one more thing I would like to stress on this, it is y. So instead of the length, you can say this is y. This is y-axis. And another thing is width of this. Width means x here. So just replace x and y instead of length and width, and then don't think about the iris setosa petals. So you don't need to know about this. Okay, just focus y and x. Let's continue to read the question. A line of best width. So what is line of best width? Line of best width is, do you see this line? This line is called line of best width. Based on what? Based on the dots here. So these are the scatter plus dots. So and then this line exactly in the middle of these dots. So this is called line of best fit. For data, let's continue to read the question. For data is also shown based on the line of best fit. Based on this, if the width of an iris, it is actually x. So I would like to stress on that one. That means x of iris. Of an iris setosa petal is 19 millimeters. So I have 18 here on X, but I don't have 19. So what is the predicted length in millimeters? This is already in millimeters of the petal. So I am supposed to find the length. So these are the relationship between length and width. This is my line of best width. I have an arrow here. What is that? This is the most important thing in the question. Again, the most important thing. This is the equation of the line of best width. So line of best width equation I highlighted in yellow. Y is equal to 1.67x plus 21.1. For this kind of question, just you are supposed to find what is the line of best width equation. So it's already given to you. It's in the graph. Y is equal to 1.67x plus 21.1. This is the line of best width equation. So we can use this equation to find the estimate for the numbers you cannot figure out in the graph. For example, for the 19 here, so 19 millimeters. So this is the width. So it means x. Simply tell me whenever x equals 19. So it's asking to me what is the predicted length. Length means it was length here, it was y. So it's asking to me the simple, if you make the question simple, y is equal to what? You are supposed to find the value of y. So all story just tell you whenever x is equal to 19, what is y? So this is all thing. You don't need to get confused with the wording in the question. So whenever x equals 19, what is y? To figure out that one, you are gonna use the equation given to you in the question. So it is y is equal to 1.67x plus 21.1. This is my equation. So what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to replace x with 19 in the equation here. So if I write it down, so don't forget you can use calculator for this question, and you if I were you, I would use it. Times 19 plus 21.1. Now please take a calculator and calculate with me, because calculator usage skill also very important on SAT Math for this kind of question, because you are supposed to be fast. 1.67 times 19 plus 21.1. So I just typed this up into my calculator, and I got in my calculator screen exactly 52.83. I use my calculator, I find 52.83. This is my answer for question 10. Thanks.